Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the lesson Grade 7 Science Unit 19 Sources of Energy First part. Today our main topic is energy sources. Energy is the ability to do a work. The things which give energy are called sources of energy. Energy sources can be divided into two groups as renewable energy sources and non-renewable energy sources. Now we are going to talk about our next subtopic, renewable energy sources. Renewable energy sources that are produced during use or within a short time period after use. Now we are going to talk about examples for renewable energy sources. Sun, wind, geothermal energy, flowing water, biomass, sea waves, tidal waves. Our next subtopic is non-renewable energy sources. Non-renewable energy sources that are not reproduced after use, otherwise takes a long period of time to be reproduced. Now we are going to talk about examples for non-renewable energy sources. Fossil fuels, coal, natural gases, nuclear power. Now we are going to talk about our next main subtopic, solar power. Solar energy is two types as light energy and heat energy. Solar energy is stored in many other energy sources as wind, sea waves, tidal waves, biomass, fossil fuels. Now we are going to talk about light energy of sun is used for photosynthesis in plants, generation of electricity in solar cells. Now we are going to talk about heat energy is used for boiling water in solar water heaters, cooking in solar cookers or solar ovens, used for drying purposes in solar dryers. Our next subtopic is solar cells. Okay, a set of solar cells is called a solar panel. In solar cells, light energy transforms into electrical energy. Instantly, solar cells were used to produce electricity in artificial satellites, and solar cells are used in street lamps, airplanes, and experimenting vehicles. Now we are going to talk about advantages of solar cells. Okay, using solar cells is a renewable source of energy. Then we can produce it again after use. Next one is using solar cells is eco-friendly method and it freely available source of energy in the world. Our next topic is advantages of solar cells. we can obtain advantages and disadvantages also. Okay, disadvantages of solar cells are solar batteries are very expensive. Cloudy sky reduce the efficiency of the solar batteries. Cause environmental pollution when improper disposal. If you like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Myself Learning Academy and put a like and a comment to this video. Thank you. Next day we will join with the second part. Creation of Myself Learning Academy.